Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to put aux cable for BMW X3 from 2004 to 2010. It's a bit difficult if you're not a full electronics. I don't think, well, if you bought a cable, it came something like this, this one, and the cable was here. But the problem is there was a hole here. This arms, if you take out, you see this is the cable I bought together with this one. It came with this one, and then this yellow cable, you saw it there, it have the same like this one. So there was no free hole that I can put mine. So all what I did is I take this one, the yellow one, I take it out and I place mine. I check my GPS, it was working. I try to play a CD from this one, it's working. I have loader here also it was working fine. So I thought, then that is the place. And then yeah, it shows aux on the screen, but before it doesn't show aux. So I just playing. I connect the cable from this side till here, and I see I connect this cable to put it inside my iPod, and then it was playing fine. And then I said, okay, I'm going to drive and see if the GPS will talk. I can hear the volume or the voice. So I was driving, but yeah, I didn't hear nothing. I tried to call one of my friend. Also, I called, but yeah, the person can hear me, but I cannot hear the person. And I see that, so that cable I took out is for output for GPS, and then the Bluetooth system for the machine. So I came back and then I open everything again, and I take the cable. You see, it's like this. I make small plan or map. You see, there's some arrow here. You can see that there's an arrow here. I cannot zoom it nice, but it's too dark for here. Here, if you count 1, 2, and then the back also 1, 2 is for that GPS, and then the Bluetooth. The cable was there, and then all from 1, 2 was GPS and the Bluetooth. So 1, 2, 3, 4 was free, and then the cable that I bought was starting from 3, 4, and then here. So it was 3 cables. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 was full for GPS and Bluetooth. And mine was, I put mine here, 1, 2, and 3. And then I connect back, and then it's working perfect. Really perfect. It's working fine. And then I can see also aux. Even now, look. You see aux. But yeah, I was using the same phone I'm using to record. That one I was using to play the music. So now I cannot connect for you to hear the music, I was playing FM from my local country. So yeah, this is working fine. Now I'm going to close everything. But to close it also is very simple, It's very simple. All what you have to do is first we connect the radio here. This is the place for the radio. Yeah, there's the 2 screws. This one is here. My star. then pa 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 pa. And then the other one also here. It's just it's not difficult, it's really simple. This one, you see, it's click. Then I have also 2 screws here. Sorry for poor video, eh? I'm here alone, that is why. So yeah, this one also here. Finished. You see, here is finished. Everything is nice. And now we are coming to put this one. Here it will be difficult for me to record because I don't know how I can hold the camera and connect this one also. So this one, this cable will come here. Yeah, this cable will come here. This one, there's no screws, eh? It's just like that. And this one, the heating. So this one will be like this. It will be like this. This one will enter here like this. See, you click here, click, and then here. Yeah. So this one is regulate. Yeah, perfect. Then you see, we do like this. No, now it's done, eh? You see, it's finished. Then now we have to connect this one back. So this one is like this. One man thousand. Yeah. Like this. Already. See, then I have to put inside. Finish. Work done. Work done. So now I have aux, I have FM, I have CD2, which is the loader here, and then here also is this one. Anytime I hear this music, then I remember the day. Yeah, man. Okay, fellow friends, My name still called DJ OP Bambelut. Yeah, man. See you. Yes, I. Okay, then ciao, ciao.